So frequency, this refers how often you exercise. The point is to meet your goals without overtraining the body. Frequency is also dependent upon the type of exercise you are doing. So it doesn't matter kung saan exercise imong buhaton, nakadepende na lang sa inyo. Bali, siya pili ka sa exercise, kamo na mag-buhat. For example, if you're targeting cardiorespiratory endurance at moderate intensity, the frequency is 3 to 5 days, whereas vigorous intensity is 3 days. Busa, ano, 3 to 5 days kay kung 3 to 5 days, mo siya pan, pinaka-common of balance. Kung ipano na mo siya kan, ma-schedule, mas consistent ang improvement sa imong sa imong endurance. However, if you're targeting muscular strength, 2 to 3 times a week is recommended. Just remember to have at least 1 day of per week to let your body recover. So kung yung target is muscular strength, dapat tuloy-tuloy mo pag-exercise kay atong muscle mag-need siya rest at least 1 day. Pero mas may siya 2 days para fully recover gid mong muscle. Kay kung mag-overtrain mo gid mong muscle, imong muscle fiber kay ma-damage. Kung ma-damage yung muscle fiber mo, taas ang risk na ma-injury ka. So, frequency of exercise, every physical activity throughout the week. Recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week. So, ang moderate intensity, itong mga brisk walking, jogging, and etc. May lang vigorous intensity aerobic exercise. Paano siya itong mga high intensity interval training, mga running, swimming, cycling, and etc. Ideally, spread out over at least 3 days per week.
Intensity. Exercise intensity refers how hard your body is working during physical activity. So it shows how much effort your muscles, heart, and lungs are using while you're moving, and your health and fitness goals, as well as your current level of fitness, will determine your ideal exercise intensity. So if you're just staring, you might want to do easy exercises, while people who are used to workout can handle harder activities. Typically, exercise intensity is described as low, moderate, or vigorous. So, example lang, ang low intensity, example lang is light activities like walking or stretching and etc. So, for the moderate intensity is, example lang is exercises like brisk walking, slow jogging, and etc. And while sa vigorous, tough exercises like running, dancing, swimming, and basketball, and volleyball, etc.
Right.